Alright, so you're young and want to become a streamer? Watch this video till the end. A lot of people think that pressing the go live button is gonna make them the next big thing. But let me tell you the truth. Streaming is way harder than people realize. And if you go in with the wrong mindset, you are going to waste
hours of your life
and burn out fast and probably quit before you have a chance to grow. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the reality of streaming. Why just streaming on Twitch isn't enough. What you actually need to grow and the mindset you have to develop if you want to survive in this space. Twitch is brutal when it comes to growth.
There is almost no discovery.
If you go live with 0 viewers, guess what? You'll be buried at the bottom of the list.
And no one scrolls down hundreds of streams just to click on you.
This is why so many streamers quit. They go live 6 to 8 hours every single day. And after weeks or even months, they will still be stuck at 1 or 2 viewers. It's draining. It makes you question yourself if it's even worth it. The truth is, streaming alone just isn't
Enough.
If you want people to find you, you need to do more than just stream. So I'll give you the secret sauce. The streaming is not
the content.
The stream is only the endpoint. What brings people to your stream is the content you make out of Twitch. Platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, those are where discovery happens. They are designed to push your content in front of people that have never heard of you before. Twitch doesn't do that. Think of it like this. Twitch is your house, but if no one knows your address, no one's gonna visit. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, those are the highways and billboards that bring people to your house. Without them, your Twitch stream is basically invisible. Let me paint 2 different pictures. Streamer A goes live every day for 6 hours. They don't record clips, they don't post on TikTok, and they don't post on YouTube. After months, they are still buried at the bottom of the list with barely any viewers. Now, Streamer B goes live 2 to 3 hours a day. But during those streams, they're recording highlights, they're editing clips, they're posting shorts that are funny, entertaining on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And because those platforms push your content, new people start discovering them every single day. Those new people then check out your stream. Within a few months, they've built a small but growing community. See, now that's the difference. It's not about how long you stream, but how you use your time. Now, let me talk to you about dealing with negativity and hate. Now, here's something that most people do not talk about. If you start streaming and putting yourself out there, you're gonna deal with hate. People online can be brutal. Some viewers will come in your chat just to troll you. Others will leave mean comments on your streams or YouTube videos. And the sad part is, the hate comes from people you know in real life. If you don't have thick skin, trust me, it's going to crush you. You cannot let a random stranger on the internet decide your future. If someone ever says that your content sucks, or it's not funny, or you'll never make it, who cares? That's just noise. Every creator you look up to goes through the same thing. The difference between the top people and the people that quit is the top people kept going, even when everybody doubted them. So if you want to stream, you need to be ready for that. Build the mindset where you take criticism, learn from what's useful, and throw away the rest. Now, let me tell you about the mindset and dedication. Streaming is not a single sprint. It's a marathon. You're not gonna blow up overnight. You're not gonna make money right away. And if you're expecting quick results, you're setting yourself for disappointment. But if you treat streaming like building a brand, you'll think differently. You'll realize it's about patience, consistency, and constant learning. You'll experience how to fall and get back up again. You'll build an audience 1 video at a time and 1 viewer at a time. And that's why so many people quit. They don't have the patience to play the long game. But if you stick with it and create content outside of Twitch, you will grow. It just takes time. So before you decide to become a streamer, remember this: streaming by itself isn't enough. You'll need content outside of Twitch to bring people in. You need patience, consistency, and the thick skin to deal with the negativity that is guaranteed to come your way. Streaming can be one of the most rewarding things you can ever do, but only if you're ready to put in the work. Now, if this video gave you some perspective, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what your biggest struggle in streaming is. Alright guys, so I'll be making more videos to help you guys grow. So stay tuned. But before I go, let me tell you just one more thing. So if you're thinking of becoming a streamer just for the money, please don't. That mindset will burn you out fast, and you will probably quit before you see results. Stream because you like gaming or because creating content excites you. The money only comes later if you stick with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.